Okay guys, so ngayon ang gagawin nating video is may ipapakita kami sa inyo. Okay? Kasi si Emerson, nag-birthday siya this Thanksgiving. So, wala akong na-prepare na anything. So, talagang ang iniisip kong ibigay sa kanya is phone. Kasi ilang beses na kami nag-a-attempt kumuha ng phone. Pero nagbabago yung isip namin. Syempre kasi mahal. Pero dito naman, down payment lang ang kailangan eh. So, ayan. Nakapagbigay ako ng gift sa kanya. Nadamay din ako. So, ito na. Mag-a-unbox na siya nung mga kanyang birthday gifts.
Okay. You want me to do the
phone first.
phone first?
Yeah, do the phone first. So what do you have?
I got the new iPhone Pro Max.
Yes!
Yes.
Yabang sana all! Niya pa, nirap niya pa, tsaka binalik niya para maganda yung presentation. Yeah. Pero nagamit na talaga niya. Okay? So we got this last Black Friday ba?
Black Friday.
Yeah. No. Saturday na natin nakuha yan tayo.
Oh, next day. Friday.
Yeah, Saturday.
Oh, Saturday?
Black Friday is Friday, di ba? Saturday. Black Friday, yung birthday niya, kinabukasan namin nakuha siya.
So, ito, mas bigger than the iPhone Pro Max
12 Pro.
11. This is the Pro Max. So the 11 is bigger. The 12 is bigger than
the 11.
The 11. It's like 6.7.
I don't know. Accurate ba yung mga sinasabi mo?
It's a 6.7.
Okay. Tapos parang na-find out namin is hawakan mo siya. Ano siya? Akala mo 'di ba hindi siya magiging comfortable na hawakan kasi masyadong malaki. Pero ang totoo, mas komportable pala siyang hawakan.
Komportable siyang hawakan kaysa dun sa mga dating mga iPhone. So,
mas komportable pala siya sa
it's only the only thing is hindi siya wide siya pero mas mahaba siya ngayon. Pero mas komportable siyang hawakan. So bale hindi lahat ng yung kamay mo na hawak buong kamay mo nahawakan siya. So, yung dating iPhone
kasi the smaller ones, pagka hinawakan
the
mo
skinny
siya,
one.
Yeah, pag hinawakan mo siya, let's say ganyan, maraming sobrang daliri dito. So, parang hindi siya, parang feeling mo anytime pwede siyang malaglag. Ayan, parang enough lang yung kamay mo para hawakan siya.
Okay, so let's open it.
Yep, and then pakita mo yung screen.
Okay.
I really like the screen. Hindi pag inopen mo siya.
So when you open it, you just click, you just use your face. I think right now it's not working. Usually it's working because I'm wearing a hat, so you have to take it out your hat. Make sure you're not wearing anything. So to open it, I'll try.
Yeah, he did set up the face lock. Ano ba tawag doon? Is that face lock?
Okay, let me try it.
Kasi
Okay,
you're wearing glasses yata.
No, it's not. See?
Oh, yun.
Then
Na-unlock siya.
you just wipe it like that.
Ulit. Let me show the sa camera. Okay.
Okay, you tap it like Android before. Then see that? Then you swipe it.
Yeah.
So you don't need to put your code. Pwede mo ring ilagay yung code pero mo ring face. Ano yan? Yes.
Face recognition. Yeah. In-scan lang yung face niya, na-unlock niya yung phone.
It's really safe sa akin. So, yan yung mga I like the new one.
Yeah, look at the screen, guys. Look how big it is. And then, ang gusto ko dun sa facial recognition, available naman siya sa ibang, like yung iPhone 11 yun, pwede naman din yun. What I like about that is, you don't have to touch your phone, mag-open na. But once na unlock siya, just swipe it up, and then it will open up, diba? So let's say, pinahiram mo yung phone mo to someone else. Then, papascan lang niya yung face mo, tapos isa-swipe niya, okay na. So, we both get the graphite kasi walang ibang available. We don't really care naman kung anong color yung ibigay sa amin. Since lalagyan mo naman siya ng case.
So, on the charger,
Oops.
ano yan?
Upo ka. Amay.
Sa charger naman, you have to buy the
Do your homework there.
new charger.
Yeah.
It's not included. So you have to buy your own what do you call this? Connector.
Yeah. It's not
It's
USB.
different now.
So, this is what you attach on the phone, which is the lightning. Ay mo focus. Ayun. And then, dito, yung isasaksak
Hindi
mo
siya
sa
USB.
plug. Hindi siya USB. So, ito yung small one.
So the connector is not included.
Yeah, you have to buy it separately.
But they said it's like twice charged when it's used that one.
Mas maganda daw, mas mabilis yung pag-charge pagka yun ang ginamit.
Okay, then
So-
we decided to buy. Make sure if you don't get the insurance, make sure you put your what do you call this? Screen protector.
Teka, awak mo. So, yun yung napili niyang case.
So that's what I get.
Yun yung napili namin case. Niya pala. Niya got the pink one. Birthday niya, pero ako nadamay kasi may promo. Yan. And then, what
And
else?
then make sure you put it so you won't basag it. You won't damage it.
Yeah.
Like my daughter always drop my phone.
I don't know where's my assignment.
Oh, go, find it.
So
On the backpack.
what do you guys think?
Go.
Ayan yun. Akala ko nabasag na.
Yeah. So, it's just like the iPhone 11. Meron siyang 3 photo lenses.
So far so good. I like it.
Yeah, na-try namin siya kagabi. So, I'll show you some pictures of us last night na it takes good quality pictures during nighttime. So, ganda.
Okay. Then last night,
So hindi pa siya nakontento. Meron pa rin siyang isang...
I have this
Yeah.
other gadget. So you have to enjoy your life. You know,
Enjoy your life.
you work hard.
Yes, thank you credit card.
You credit card. Use your credit card. Then pay later. Okay, so I have this for my other gift
Yeah.
from other place, not in Verizon.
Hey, I need that thing.
So this one.
I need this so I can make a diaper.
Is that a diaper? So
No, it's for my baby's diaper.
AirPod.
So he's got the AirPods.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the
I mean, it sounds really good than others.
Is that the old one? That yours?
Yeah.
So thank you.
Put
That's
that
how small
in
is it?
here. Put it back.
Okay, that's all my gift from my birthday.
Yeah.
The new iPhone
birthday.
Pro Max, earphone,
AirPods.
AirPod. That's it, and the case.